I'll go to the necklace of a pop or not, because there could be a day. So anyway, like I was saying, on that mountain there have been some rocks, and I am wondering what the hell and I'm just wondering what the heck those rocks are on top of the mountain. I think like it's graveyards, you know, when people die and it says rest in place. But then I was like, no, it's not rocks, it's actually boulders. And then I was like, but yeah, I think that there's kangaroos there, because I think it was a Monday that we went walking, me, my father, and something bit me, but not her, because she was at home looking after the baby and cleaning. No, just not looking after the baby. I also put him to sleep. Yeah, and I gave him food. That I did not tell you, because I was like,
oh, watch your steps. Watch your steps.
Right, like, right.
There's a lot of water. It's muddy.
Because like I thought that that Daddy would like surprise us. Yeah, I gave Daddy food. Before I put him to bed. And I'll say it again. When me, my father, and the little oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What is that?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh my freaking!
Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just stay.
Oh my god, it's an actual
It's a kangaroo
spine.
bone. Kangaroo bone, okay.
What? Oh my god.
What we have
Poor
discovered.
nature.
Poor nature, what we have discovered. That's a kangaroo body, I think. Kangaroo is
We
good.
found a bone.
Yeah, Farah. No touching.
And there were even bones on that side as well, because I saw those little white stuff.
Yeah.
There
All
were
right.
bones.
Keep walking. Keep walking, girls. Keep walking.
Let's go and sleep there. I'm definitely going to throw up.
No, stop it. Don't say those stuff, because we are going to experience a lot of these things now.
On the road trip we saw
Be strong, okay?
on the road trip back home we saw a kangaroo. No, it was koala. It was koala. Yeah, I know. So basically, when we went to Threadbow because there it was snowy. So you saw the video. Earlier we posted a video of the snow that we ate snow and all those experiences. Yeah, but in Threadbow there was not much snow, so we went to what was it, Probish, Dingy, and then the way back to
It's
Canberra.
called Pressure Valley.
Pressure Valley. Pressure Valley. There was lots of snow.
Keep walking straight.
There was lots of snow and there were wheelchairs.
Yeah?
And if you eat the snow as well. Yeah, but I'm just kidding you guys. If you go anything snow, so when the people go skiing, don't eat that kind of snow. So when places like it's like no one goes skiing and stuff, and like no one puts the.
All right, we don't have much time. We only have 1 hour. Farah, keep walking, because otherwise it'll get dark and we can't reach back down.
Eat clean snow. And another time, we posted a video earlier that we played.
Yeah, I'll give you water now. Just
And
wait. I'll give you water to your sister.
yeah,
You find this.
yeah.
Sometimes what the foxes stays here.
What, foxes?
Yes, the foxes will come out.
Daddy, there are foxes here, Daddy. Do not. Oh, and that's how the foxes ate the kangaroo. The foxes eat kangaroos.
Yeah,
Foxes eat kangaroos.
the foxes ate the little kangaroos.
What, the baby jobbies?
Yeah, the
I've
baby.
seen a foxy over here. I've seen a foxy in real life, baby.
All right, keep walking.
I tired of foxes. I look like her.
Oh, you don't like foxes? Okay.
I don't like foxes. If there was a fox near me,
Okay.
if there was a fox near me, I'll just have a the ace. I'll have an axe near me.
Come on, baby. We need to walk. Come on. But you want to go to the top of the hill or not?
That one.
Yeah, the one you want.
I want that one because that's so cool.
Okay. Come.
Okay, so basically, the leader of the first fleet.
Wow.
Do you know?
Oh, look how close we are to the mountain. The hill.
Daddy.
Oh,
Yeah.
give me. Thank you.
Like I said, when we
So
were
how you know that the kangaroo, the father protects the kangaroo baby, but the
I've seen
kangaroo
it.
mother
I've
doesn't?
seen it on Sora. I'm just saying hi to the kangaroo.
Oh, Sora.
Yeah, Sora has some. Yeah, get a Sora, but the school version. But it got deleted because the teacher sent us.
No running, baby. You'll get tired, and then
Because our teachers.
Farah, no running.
Because our teachers in Brisbane send us this. We had to download the app Sora, and
Yeah.
then our teachers had to send us a video every week.
Yeah.
And then in that week, the video had to be finished. Otherwise, it will be deleted. So we have to read it. And then when I read it, I just noticed that the mother doesn't protect the baby that much. Actually,
Yeah.
the father protects the baby and the mother the most. Because the father's back legs,
Yeah.
they're really, really big and bouncy.
Yeah.
And then
Farah, do not touch, baby. Farah,
And then
I have to wipe your hands.
And then
Okay, keep walking.
And then how to kill predators. The father uses its back legs and its heavy tail to so it uses its tail to swish around.
Yeah.
And it uses its leg to kick.
Oh, okay. Thanks for your information.
Did you know that kangaroos?
Okay, you. It's her turn now. Go ahead, baby.
If you know that mornings kangaroos can appear.
Yeah. I can't see you.
Oh, never mind. I'm walking forward, not backwards, and everybody.
Yeah. Let me walk forward so you can be in front of me. Stay there. Stay there. Slow down. Slow down. Okay.
So in mornings,
Slow down.
like in mornings, sunset.
Faria, come, baby. Faria.
Oh, do I hate the word keep on after repeating this? In mornings and sunsets, some kangaroos might appear because at night they all of them if there's a bunch of them jump over the fences and appear together to eat some food, and they do poo as well because there's lots of poo around here and it's dirty.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. We don't have time. Okay.
The kangaroo is finding a way to run. A kangaroo finds the jump. Like that.
Oh, kangaroo jumps.
Give me that water.
You're drinking water. Just wait.
You want to walk?
Okay. Drink your water, and we need to walk faster. We don't have much time.
Hey, water, fuck.
Come on.
And we got that.
Right, come this side. Come.
See?
Yes, you done it.
Bigger. Don't you dare! It's red. Look at the thing. Look at the circle. Wait.
Yeah, that's where the kangaroos comes and drink water. No, but don't go close to the water. Stay back. Maybe some of this kind of water they have crocodiles. Okay.
Yeah, some of these water have.
And you don't know where's the crocodile.
But stay back!
Faria, come back.
Daddy, what's that? I think there is actual crocodiles. Have to look. Something green under the water.
Yeah. Something going on. Okay, baby, come. Faria, we don't have much time. Come on, hurry up.
Wait, Daddy, how do we get in?
We will go in. Just wait. Faria, come. Snowy Mountains, right? Can you see the Telestra Tower? Behind that, there's a Snowy Mountains. I'll zoom it. Oh, those ones are the Snowy Mountains. Okay. We don't have much time. We need to climb.
I found it! Daddy!
Yeah.
I found it, this one! Okay, so we couldn't climb up that mountain. So basically, there was like a cut in the front. It's good! And I feel like someone already went through it. So we went through it. Daddy's not playing it. And then Daddy's not even playing that.
It is recording. Let's
And
go.
then I was like so scared because over there I saw something moving through the trees. I'm pretty sure it was a fox.
Yeah, there's a kangaroo.
Where kangaroos? Wait, do you see kangaroo?
Keep walking, baby. Faria, come.
Daddy, come hold my hand. Daddy, come hold my hand. Okay, watch this. Watch this, Daddy.
No running. You'll get. Okay, keep walking, baby. Yes, keep walking.
That's go walking. Walk.
That's beautiful. Just wait for Daddy, I'm coming. Call out, kangaroo, where are you?
Kangaroo, where are you?
No, wait for Faria. Faria?
Kangaroo, where are you?
Okay.
Kangaroo!
Shh, stop. Faria hates foxes.
And I followed it to fox and I just hit.
Okay.
Daddy, there are foxes. There are foxes at the
Where was it?
red stuff?
Where?
Daddy, there are foxes, Daddy.
Which red stuff?
Daddy, the red stuff that's just right over there.
Oh yeah, those
Something that was a tail, Daddy. Yeah.
are... Okay.
We're like.
Yeah, but they're not the one. Maybe they're kangaroo, but the foxes will come out at nighttime. So we don't worry. Keep climbing up.
Foxes come out at night.
Keep climbing up.
Get off that road, get on. This is an action movie, dude. Your mom.
All right, come down.
Daddy, what are these green stuff? Who? We? Shush? Hush? Eh?
All right, keep walking.
Oh.
Come on, baby, this side, Ella.
I go with the foot. I'm the foot. Oh.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm okay. Daddy.
All right, come over this side. Don't. No. Come. Come.
I'm literally crying. I'm crying.
Why?
I'm crying.
Why?
I mean, look, we actually climbed up. I thought we were like, for you? No. Oh my!
No, we still got a bit more. So it's beer. خب دوستان سلام برسه بر تمام عزیزان و دوستان گرامی. بسیار یک جای مقبول است. ویو بسیار مقبول داره. بسیار جای مقبول، زیبا، قشنگ. والا
I was literally crying for happiness. I mean, like, we actually made it.
Yes.
Snowy Mountains. Come here. Come this side. Come look at this. Come follow me.
فاریا رفته پیش زاغ. بابا چی میکنی؟ یکم این دوستان زیبایی وطن.
So everyone bye, and look at the view. It's wonderful. It's pretty cool, and you can see if you climb the mountain from the top, you can see all the view, and even cars, the houses, and well, a lake of course, and there's even a car there. There's a car there as well, and I don't know how he got there, but we should like see how he went. Because the car.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, and
Farwa,
there's a
come.
car there.
I think
There's a car there.
it's time for us to go. Faria, come.
There's a car and there's a fox. Where? There's a fox.
You always.
There's a tree.
Faria, before it get dark, we need to go. Allah. Yeah, and say bye. Allah, goodbye,
So
Kunin.
thank you for watching the MSF family vlog. Please subscribe to our channel. Press the when you subscribe, a bell comes up. Press the bell so you can stay in touch. And when we are about to post a new video, you'll get notifications. Press the thumbs up button. Do not press the dislike button. Otherwise, you're not great. But if you press the thumbs up button, you're awesome. If the dislike button, I don't know. So.
Faria, baby.
Please
Time to go home.
Comments down below. Follow us on Instagram. Yeah, just wait my turn. I found a pine cone. No, it's my turn. I found a pine cone. It's my turn.
Alright, leave it down. Faria, come over this side. Faria.
So, subscribe to our
Come.
channel. Watch us on Instagram if you have Instagram and
Come.
Facebook. And look, comments down below and
Okay.
subscribe. Click the bell and yeah.
Farwa. Come, baby. We need to go. We're not going from this way. We're going from the back way, so it's easier for us.
Can we go that way?
No, we go from the back way.
Because that's a reference for people. Okay, let's